How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch the most precise bottoms in the stock market. And I want to go over the three best penny stocks that I see in the market right now that are going to make a huge move to the upside very soon. And before I talk about them, I do have a premium Discord where I have been catching precise bottoms and making massive gains. If you want to join it, it's only $6 a month. I give you my best trades and entries and exits, and I'll put the link down to the YouTube comments below. Let's get into what you guys want to see. We got the first one that I want to talk about is Peggy. This one is my favorite, and I'm going to go in order from favorite to least. As you can see, my system, the green band is a buy zone. Middle is where price has to go back to. It will correct to it. And then the red is just an absolute sell your shares no matter what. So as you can see, the price is under my green band. So that means it's in a buy zone. It does not mean you buy it right away. I was able to get in on this candle right here, accumulated and sold right at the top of this right here. I was able to make 20% profit, and now I'm back into Peggy with my Discord members so we can make another bank on this thing. Let me show you exactly why I like it. So it's under the band, but that's a big thing, and there's lots of room to the upside. The blue band is at 25 cents. We are at 8 cents. That is more than almost a 200% gain potential. So I really like this, guys. And then also the K. This is a very important factor. It is at 3.11. That means it is screaming for a bounce. You can only stretch a rubber band so much before it breaks. Remember that. And so that's what we're getting right here. Getting nice little consolidation right in this area for a nice move up to the upside. Peggy is my favorite. I did a lot of research on it. I really like it. Based on the chart and everything, very good trade, guys. Highly recommend it. And I have my entries in the Discord if you guys want to join. But also, I want to show you guys the weekly. I have never really seen this with penny stocks. The weekly is under the green band too, giving a nice, solid, oversold buy signal where the buyers are going to come in. So that's looking good too. I'm telling you, I don't really ever see that ever. The next one I want to talk about is Bile. Bile is up a little today, 2%, but as you can see, same pattern here. When the price went below here, guess what? The stock shot up 14%, 18%, and then to the high here it was green, obviously. So massive gains for all the people who got in right in here. But now we're at a point of it made a massive move down. The lowest is 13 cents, and we're just kind of hovering over the top of this green band. I would like to see a move closer to the downside, maybe have a wick going under it a little bit, kind of like how this wick did it under, and then it shot up. That's really what I would like to see here. And then obviously the K is looking good, 5.16. Lower the K. As you can see, this yellow line right in here, this is my K on the KDJ. Lower the K, the better. Obviously, Peggy was in the 3s, but this is 5. Not too shabby because it had a big move down, and there's a lot of things going on with this. I like the DD for Bile. The last one I want to talk about is ANTX. ANTX had a massive move down and just kept going down, and there has been no correction or little bumps to make any gains. Obviously, I'm not in this one yet because I'm waiting for a low K, but let me show you exactly why I really like this. Not only is the blue band your potential target, it's at $13. The price is at $3.63 as I speak, but the green band is just a very conservative short-term target. That is at 6.5, guys. That is that is over 100% gain just for this green band right here. As you can see, very rarely do you get this much dark space in between the green band and the price. So this is going to shoot up massive. A lot of people are kind of doubting this one, and but trust me, this is going to shoot up. I'm going to show you the weekly right here is kind of touching a little. Obviously, it's not like Peggy where it's under the band, but the daily is for sure a very nice signal I'm seeing. I will definitely be watching this. I'm loving this trade for sure, just based on all these. Like I said, I just give you a little history about this strategy. This strategy, these bands are customized to look for the most oversold settings, paired with the KDJ, and the RSI is just there. I backtested this strategy for over 6 years. It works. It's made me profitable, where I don't have to have a 9 to 5 job, and I do this full time. And then I have a Discord where I train people how to use this strat, where you're not blindly buying random prices like in here, and then it falls through. What this strat tells me is news will be released at the blue band. It could go up or go down. We don't want to take that risk. This shattered the price, and now we know that the downside is very little to the upside, and that's what you want to look for plays. I'm going to show you exactly history of what happens. Price gets to the red band, sells off. Price gets near the green band, it pumps. Red band sells off, and I'm just going to go over not much history on this one. Red band sells off. So let me go over Bile. I forgot to go over some of these things. As you can see, bottom band hits, bottom band hits. It goes up. So this strategy works to a T, guys. These are my 3 best penny stocks. We got Peggy, Bile, and ANTX. They are all one of my all 3 of my favorite things that I approve of a reversal. And obviously, I'm in Peggy right now, but I'm looking to get in Bile and ANTX for a precise entry when I'm looking to alert it. If you guys want to know when do I get into these trades, how do I get them, join the premium Discord. I'm telling you, if you're risking thousands of dollars, you're going to want to know a system that gives you an edge to give you a high percent win ratio. This system has over 90% win ratio. I've been trading it constantly. It wins every time, and you're feeling confident because you know where price has to correct to, where your potential target is, and you know where to buy, and you know how to be confident. That's the awesome thing about this strategy, guys. It's only $6 a month, just because I spend so much time. I do a lot of time researching stocks on the DD and then the charts. So, and then I'll put it all in the trade alerts. Trade alerts is where you're going to get my entries. Like I set a limit order to buy Peggy at 0.0822, and I tag everyone, and I tell you my accumulation rolls in here, so I tell you my orders and all that. And then when I look to sell, I tell you when I sell, and we make massive gains together. Not just one person making gains. We make massive together, because if I make gains, you will, as long as you follow my system. So that video is going to talk about more in depth. I don't have enough time to go in more detail of this strategy and how you avoid these candles right in here and all that. It goes more in depth, and you get more of a pattern of how this works. It's a very good strategy. You would not be disappointed. For only $6, a lot of people charge way more, hundreds of dollars and they don't even give you entries and exits. They just tell you a stock, here it is, you're on your own. I at least tell you exactly what I get in, my trade alerts, my precise entries. I go to lower time frames and market sentiment to look for those precise entries, and then I'll tell you when I look to sell before I get out myself. I'm doing this. This is a very good strat, guys. Like I said, back tested for over 6 years and made me profitable. These are my 3 best stocks: Peggy, Bile, and ANTX. These are going to shoot up big, and I am very confident in. And I showed you with previous examples of what happens when they get to these levels. They shoot up pretty fast. If you guys enjoyed this, the Discord, once again, will be in the YouTube comments below. Just go down to the comments. It'll be there. It says join the premium Discord for the best trades, and these are going to be the best trades. And also, guys, give me a like, subscribe, comment to me what your favorite penny stock is, and I'll do some research on it. Any type of that engagement helps the algorithm to share it to other people who are looking to trade penny stocks and how to find reversals on these and trade it with confidence. Let's make some money together, and I'll see you in the Discord. Take care, everyone, and happy trading.